Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 9, part A. A is the point, 3 minus 1. Vector AB is 2 minus 4. If vector AC equals double of vector AB, then find the coordinates of the point C. In this question, we are given with point A, 3 minus 1, which can be written in vector form too. Vector AB, 2 minus 4, and relation between two vectors like vector AC equals double of vector AB. Now, vector AC is a vector with 2 points, A and C, so it can be written as AC equals C minus A. Let's substitute it in equation, so our equation will become C minus A equals 2AB. Moving A to right-hand side will result in equation C equals 2AB plus A. Let's now substitute values of A, B and A in this equation, so it will become C equals 2 into vector 2 and minus 4 plus vector 3 and minus 1. Let's resolve it further. 2 will be multiplies by each coordinate of vector AB. So equation will become C equals vector 4 minus 8 plus vector 3 and minus 1. To further solve, we shall add up the corresponding coordinates of vectors like 4 plus 3 and minus 8 plus minus 1. It results in a vector with coordinates 7 and minus 9, which are the coordinates of point C, and same is the required answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.